Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English the Natural Way.
Yes, welcome, welcome. Today is a very special day.
Because today, we are starting something new, a 30-day challenge.
30 days, 30 lessons, and one big goal. Speak English every day.
Can you introduce yourself in English? Right now, today, the answer will be yes.
By the end of this lesson, you'll introduce yourself with confidence.
This is day 1 of 30. Let's begin.
Think about this for a moment. Imagine you meet someone new tomorrow.
Maybe at work, maybe at school, maybe on a trip.
They smile at you and say, "Hello, what's your name?"
What do you say back? Do you feel nervous? Do the words disappear?
After today, you'll know exactly what to say.
Because today, we build your introduction, step by step, together.
A few simple sentences. That's all you need. And by the end, you'll feel more comfortable using them.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect.
You only need to practice every day.
One lesson, one speaking challenge, every day for 30 days.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. If this is your first time with us, please like this video and subscribe.
It helps us so much, and it helps you remember to come back tomorrow.
Because tomorrow there is a new lesson waiting for you.
So, are you ready for day 1?
I am ready. What is today's topic?
Today, we learn how to introduce yourself.
This is so important. It's the first thing you need in English.
When you meet someone new, what do you say?
Hello, my name is Sulafat.
Perfect. That is the first sentence everyone must know.
My name is, plus your name.
Let's say it together. My name is Charon.
My name is Sulafat.
Now you say your name out loud right now.
Yes, pause the video and say, my name is your name.
Great job. Let's add one more sentence.
When we meet someone, we also say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Say it with me. Nice to meet you.
My name is, plus, nice to meet you. That's already 2 useful sentences.
Now, let's learn where you're from.
We say, I am from, and your country.
I am from the UK.
I am from the UK too.
I am from the USA. I am from Canada. I am from Australia.
Just change the country and the sentence is ready.
And we can add one more detail, where you live.
We say, I live in, and then the city.
I live in London.
I live in London too.
I live in Toronto. I live in Sydney. I live in New York.
Let's practice. Pause the video and say, I am from, and I live in.
Take your time. We'll wait. Wonderful. Now, let's talk about jobs.
People often ask, what do you do?
And you answer, I am a, and your job.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher too.
I am a student. I am a doctor. I am an engineer.
With some jobs, we use an. For example, I am an engineer.
I am an engineer. I am an artist.
With many other jobs, we use a. I am a teacher. I am a nurse.
What do you do, Charon?
I am a teacher. What do you do?
I am a teacher too. We work together.
Ha! Yes, we do. And if you don't have a job yet,
You can simply say, I am a student.
I am a student. I study English.
That's a perfect answer too.
Now, one of my favorite parts, hobbies, the things you like to do.
We say, I like, and then the activity.
I like reading.
I like cooking.
I like watching movies.
I like playing football.
So easy. I like plus the activity.
What do you like, Charon?
I like listening to music. What about you, Sulafat?
I like reading books.
Great! Now let's put everything together in one full conversation.
This is how it sounds when we use all these sentences together. Good morning. My name is Sulafat.
Good morning. My name is Charon. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Charon. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I live in Toronto.
I am from Canada too. I live in Toronto.
What a nice surprise. What do you do?
I am a teacher. What do you do?
I am a teacher too. I like reading and cooking.
I like reading too. Maybe we can talk about books.
I would love that. Nice to meet you, Sulafat.
Nice to meet you too, Charon. Did you hear how natural that conversation sounded?
Greeting, name, country, city, job, hobby, all together. That's a full introduction.
Let's try one more situation. Meeting someone at school. Hi, I'm new here. My name is Sulafat.
Hi, Sulafat. My name is Charon. Welcome to our class.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I am from the USA. And you?
I am from the USA too. I am a student here.
Me too. What subjects do you like?
I like English and art. What about you?
I like English too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? You can use these same sentences at school, at work, anywhere. Now, let's look at 2 small mistakes so you can avoid them.
Mistake number 1, saying, my name it is Sulafat.
Wrong. My name it is Sulafat.
Correct. My name is Sulafat. No it, just is.
Mistake number 2, saying, I have 30 years.
Wrong. I have 30 years.
Correct. I am 30 years old. We use am, not have, for age.
This is a very common mistake, so remember it well.
One more small note. You can ask, what is your job? Or, what do you do?
Both are correct, but what do you do is very common, so it's good to know both.
Mistake number 3, saying, I am agree with you.
Wrong. I am agree.
Correct. I agree. No am, just I agree.
Small words, but they make a big difference in how natural you sound.
Now, let's practice everything one more time. Repeat after us.
My name is Sulafat.
My name is Sulafat.
I am from Australia.
I am from Australia.
I live in Sydney.
I live in Sydney.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I like reading.
I like reading.
Now, change the words to match your own life and say each sentence again.
My name is, I am from, I live in, I am a, I like.
Good. You're already getting more comfortable saying these sentences.
That's exactly what we want, because now comes the real test.
Great. Now, here comes the most important part of today.
Your Day 1 challenge.
This is where you make it real. Not writing, not thinking, speaking.
Because there's a big difference between knowing English and speaking English.
Today, you're going to close that gap. Are you ready? Step 1. Say your name.
Step 2, say where you're from.
Step 3. Say where you live.
Step 4, say what you do.
Step 5. Say one thing you like.
Now, put all 5 together and introduce yourself without reading.
Try to speak for 30 seconds. Don't read. If you need a moment to think, that's okay.
Pause the video right now and try it.
If you make a mistake, that's okay. Just keep going.
Speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to try.
We believe in you. Take a deep breath and go.
You did it. How did it feel? Even if it wasn't perfect, you did it. You spoke English.
That feeling right there is exactly what this challenge is about.
Not perfect grammar, not perfect pronunciation, just real progress every single day.
And here's a secret. The more you speak, even for 30 seconds, the easier it becomes.
By day 30, you will look back at today and be amazed at how far you've come.
Let's do a final review of every sentence from today.
My name is.
I am from.
I live in.
I am a.
I like.
5 simple sentences, and now you can introduce yourself with confidence.
This is day 1 of our 30-day challenge, and you did amazing.
Your challenge today is simple. Introduce yourself for 30 seconds out loud without reading.
Try to use all 5 sentences: name, country, city, job, and hobby.
Then, write your introduction in the comments below. We will read every single comment, we promise. It makes us so happy to see you practicing with us.
And save this video. Come back tomorrow and do the challenge again before day 2.
Tomorrow, day 2, we'll learn how to talk about your family in simple English.
I'll see you there. Thank you so much for joining us on day 1.
You are already on your way to speaking English with confidence.
See you tomorrow for day 2 of our 30-day challenge.
Bye for now, and keep practicing.
Bye-bye.